A step towards sustainable lunar exploration, looking for science and tech delivery to the moon, and gearing up for some extreme conditions. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. We're asking commercial companies to provide proposals for collecting of space resources in support of the Artemis program. The requirements: a company has to collect a small amount of moon dirt from the lunar surface, provide imagery and data to NASA, and conduct an in-place transfer of ownership of the material to NASA. We also asked our commercial lunar payload services partners for bids to fly a suite of science and technology payloads to the moon in 2022 that will help lay the foundation for human missions to the lunar surface. Next-generation lunar science and technology is a main objective for returning to the moon and preparing for Mars. A NASA project is developing special gears able to withstand extremely cold temperatures on missions to the moon and other destinations in our solar system. The gears are housed inside a metallic glass material able to survive the extreme cold without needing the usual heating. As California experiences one of the worst wildfire seasons on record, NASA's Earth-observing instruments on spacecraft, satellites, and aircraft are providing data to agencies responding to the emergency, including public health officials monitoring diminished air quality and visibility. The fires have burned more than 300,000 acres since August 16th. This animation from our OSIRIS-REx mission shows the trajectories of particles emitted from the surface of asteroid Bennu during several months in 2019. Ongoing examination of Bennu and a sample of the asteroid expected to be returned to Earth could help the OREX team learn exactly why this phenomenon is occurring. The spacecraft is set to touch Bennu and collect that sample on October 20th. Just in time for the new school year, the Celebrating Station Science online resource is available to connect students and educators to 20 years of space station experiments and research. Each month we'll have lesson plans, activities, information on space station science, and other resources for the Artemis generation of explorers. Check it out at nasa.gov/STEM/ISS20. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.